Cryptocurrency has reshaped finance, but with it comes a tax maze that can baffle even the savviest investors. At Davies Wealth Management, we unravel this complexity, guiding you through the essentials of crypto tax strategies. From understanding taxable events like selling or trading crypto, to mastering the art of tax loss harvesting, we empower you to make informed decisions. Imagine selling Bitcoin at a loss to offset gains, or holding assets over a year to enjoy lower tax rates. These are just a few tactics to slash your tax bill. Meticulous record keeping is your shield against audits, and specialized software can automate this, reducing errors. But remember, professional guidance is invaluable. Crypto-savvy tax experts offer insights beyond compliance, helping you navigate the evolving landscape. Whether it's leveraging long-term gains or exploring crypto IRAs, the right strategy can transform your tax outcomes. Stay informed, adapt, and let Davies Wealth Management be your partner in mastering crypto taxation, ensuring your financial future is as dynamic as the digital age itself.